Underdog Trackdays. In this video, we'll be changing the front brake pads and discs for EBC Yellowstuff pads, Mtec C-Hook discs, the same on the rear. We want all the brakes to be matching. I'll give you all the torque settings. Logan, my boy, he'll be helping me in this video. He'll be learning along the way. I'll also show you the bedding in process at the end of the video. We'll go for a drive. So let's get on with it.
Stop. Stop.
When we spin this wheel,
Yeah.
because it's warped, it's gonna be free and then it's gonna stick. Yeah? Stop.
Yeah.
Free, stop.
So that one moves
Free.
faster.
Stop. Yeah. You've got to really push it past that. Free, stop. Yeah? It's because the brake disc is warped like that. So we'll get this wheel off. We'll do the same this side, get the brakes changed. Right, so the discs come with like an oil coating on them, and you need some brake cleaner. Just get rid of all that oily deposit basically. that's it. So brake pads are in,
Yeah.
discs are on. I'm going to give it a or bed the brakes in basically. So just going to have some fun Saturday. So they've got that red material on the pads to make it easier to bed the brakes in. But we need to get through that red friction to get these pads really hot. So you normally do 1 to 200 miles of normal driving, normal braking. But what can I go on there? Do a few brakes. Up to 60 mile an hour and then down to 10 an hour. So it's a stopping car now, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're going to be doing the final bedding in process now, guys. We've done the 100 to 200 miles of normal driving. This time we need to get these really hot, so we're going to do some 60 mile an hour down to 10 mile an hour stops. Only using about 60% brake pressure. You don't want the ABS kicking in really. We just want to cure the resins in these pads. So that way, when we go to Combe on the weekend, the brakes are going to be bedded in correctly. Let's get on with it, see how we get on. Starting to travel now, so we're just not going to be curing in the way we want it to go in. So now the pedal's almost going away from me. So, yeah, guys. So yeah, now the pedal is just going away from me basically. So. About what we needed it to be. So there's 5 consecutive stops there from about 60 down to 20. We're now gonna have a 10-minute drive basically. These brakes cool down for about 10 minutes now without applying the brakes. That's the brakes cooled down and bedded in, guys. See you at Spring Action Day, Castle Combe. Next video. Hope you enjoyed.